when fear and division take hold. I've seen pain that hate can cause, and I carry those scars. Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, everyone. I'd like to thank the Evidence Day.
An annoying protest and
What, tomorrow?
yeah.
And all standing shoulder to shoulder as we're saying today, and we're saying you.
Moment of silence.